Load the DIAdem example file example-data.tdm in order to follow this tutorial. Flags may be used to visually mark points or sections of a curve, and then to copy, delete, and interpolate curve sections. In the image shown, you can see peaks and valleys flagged, as well as a continuous section of a curve. The 2D Axis System Flags toolbar is highlighted in the upper right of the image of the view panel shown. Activate the view panel. Clear the view layout by choosing the menu options File, New. In the Data portal, expand the channel group Noise Data and then select the channel Noise 2. Drag and drop the channel Noise 2 to the view area. When the selection pop-up appears, choose the 2D Axis System option. Use the 2D Axis System band zoom option to zoom into the section of the channel between 0.548 to 0.550 seconds. Before using flags, it is important to configure the DIAdem settings for the view panel flags. From any panel, select the menu options Settings, DIAdem Settings, select the Panel section, and then under Flag Settings review the options. It is recommended to set Remove Selected Points to set values to no value. The choice of linear or spline for the option Interpolate Selected Points is an engineering choice dependent upon each situation. This tutorial will use the linear option. Activate the curve cursor and crosshair cursor. Use the crosshair cursor to specify a curve point to be flagged, and then click the Set Flags toolbar button. A large red dot will appear on the 2D axis curve to confirm that the flag has been set. Use the band cursor, specify a series of sequential curve points to be flagged, and then click the Set Flags toolbar button. Large red dots will appear on the 2D axis curve for each point selected to confirm that the flag has been set. Use the crosshair cursor, specify a flag to remove, and then click the Remove Flags toolbar button. The large red dot on the curve representing the flag will be removed. Use the band cursor to specify a range of flags along a curve to be removed, and then click the Remove Flags toolbar button. The large red dots on the curve representing the flags will be removed. Note that the DIAdem View Panel toolbar button Remove Flags from All Data is also available. This function removes all flags from every channel and 2D axis curve in the Data portal. The action performed when clicking the Delete Data Points toolbar option is dependent upon the DIAdem Global View Panel settings for flags Remove Selected Points. Recall that currently this setting is to set those points to no value. Using the crosshair cursor and the curve cursor, add flags to the curve. When one or more flags are set, the 2D Axis System toolbar labeled Flags, Copy Data Points will be enabled. Click the 2D Axis System toolbar and choose the Delete Data Points option. When the channel's values are set to no value, the 2D Axis System curve will disappear, causing the flags to no longer be shown. However, the flags still exist at those data points. The toolbar option Interpolate Points will only be enabled when at least one flag is present in the active 2D axis curve. Interpolation will only occur where flags are present at points with the value no value. Interpolation will be performed on either side of the point with no value, at the position of the closest point that is not no value. Choose the toolbar option Interpolate Points. The channel values that were no value will be linear interpolated with the neighboring points. We will now use the toolbar option, Set Data Point and Flag, to set a user-defined point to replace a no value. Clear all flags by clicking the View toolbar Remove Flags from all data. Create a flags on the 2D axis system curve to eliminate a peak. Select the 2D axis system toolbar flags. Delete data points. Set the cursor to free cursor. Position the cursor where you want the new value to replace the existing no value. Click the toolbar Set Data Point and Flag. This causes the new point value to appear connected to the last value to left of it. Repeat the process for the remaining curve point that is no value. Click the View toolbar option, Remove all flags from all data. The flag option, Copy Data Points, allows you to copy a section of a 2D axis system curve and create a new pair of XY channels with those values. Use the band cursor to select a section of the 2D axis system curve. Click the Flag toolbar Set Flags to flag all of the points within the band cursor. Click on the Flag toolbar button Copy Data Points. The flagged curve is copied, and a waveform channel is created with the copied channel values. In this tutorial, you learned the following. The View Panel Flags toolbar options allow you to interactively and visually flag points on a 2D axis system. The points flagged can be set to no value and then assigned a new y-axis value and/or interpolated between neighboring values using a linear or spline fit. Points flagged can be deleted from a channel. Flagged points can be copied to a new pair of X and Y channels.